Hi, my name is Alvin Argarin, BSTM3F, running for the position of President. My background, I'm a Christian and I'm a crazy lover of the Lord. I joined training, especially values training, local and international. Recently, I joined in collegiate training in Asia. This training, I learned how to lead, how to coordinate and cooperate, and how to communicate with different kinds of people. And that training, I see the importance of coordination and cooperation. That's why my platform is simple, but it is really important to have a proper coordination and cooperation. Many times, there's a lot of problem because of lack of coordination and lack of cooperation. This is what we need today, especially in our campuses and different kinds of organization. This is the way to solve any kinds of hindrances, any kinds of misunderstanding, to have a proper coordination and cooperation. We will do it by your coordination and by your cooperation. Vote for me. Thank you.